Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Google Sheets, and we're going to take a look at how you could create some charts out of this information and what are some easy ways to do this. So we're doing world population today. So we're going to select Insert, and then we're going to select Chart. And when you do that, an instant chart's going to come up, a pie chart. But in this, while it's interesting, we want to change this a little bit. So you can see the different types of charts that you have. But in this one, we want to select a geo chart. When you do that, this comes up right here. So some things you could do to change it is go ahead into Customize. And when you go into Customize, in this one here, you can select chart style and you can change your background border and your chart border and all that. But in this one, we want to go through and maybe we don't want the minimum to be red. Maybe we want the minimum to be this lighter blue. And then we want medium to be, let's just say, this kind of greenish color. And then we want maximum to be red, so they really stand out. So you can see right in there, there's your chart. So really cool to see. You can also go ahead and hover over, and then you can see the information come up right here. If you want, you can go ahead, select the three dots, publish the chart, give it just that little bit of time. We can go ahead and select publish. We're going to keep it interactive. Select OK. Let's go ahead and copy this and put it into an incognito window. And you can see, here's your information, and then people can go in and see. So, of course, you could do the same thing if you want to go ahead and do this with U.S. population. So I'm going to do the same thing again just to show you. Let's go ahead, insert, chart, and instead of, again, we're going to change this, but in this one, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a geo chart with markers, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to customize it, and we're going to change it from world. We're going to change it to the United States. And now we're going to change it. Let's just do this right here. A little bit darker and darkest. And there you have it. You can hover over and the dots give you the specific spot where you can get the population. So there you go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.